Are you ready to give up?
Huh? It isn't over yet.
Huh?
Wow, this is a six-wheeler truck on Baco. This is a yellow, black and red color combination, so I collect this one also my side here. This is pink, white and paste color combination. This is a white, black and red color combination police jeep. See, this is very powerful, and you can see here two light. This is a blue and red color combination, so I collect this one also here. Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back my channel with a new interesting video. Friends, you can see this is very nice and beautiful place, and now I am beside a canal, and today I have a full box of toys. So friends, now I will introduce with you all of these toys one by one. Let's go. First one is here a animal truck. It's very nice and beautiful, paste black and orange color combination animal truck, so I collect this one at my side here. Next one, oh, it's very nice and big Baco with truck. Wow, this is a six-wheeler truck on Baco. This is a yellow, black and red color combination, so I collect this one also my side here. Another one is here a double-decker bus. This is a yellow, white and black color combination double-decker bus, and you can see here many Spider-Man sticker. Oh, here is emergency vehicle ambulance. This is pink, white and paste color combination. And now I take this big one. Wow, here is a mixer truck, white, yellow and black color combination, big size mixer truck. Oh, it's a realistic model. Next one, here is a six-wheeler police jeep. This is a white, black and red color combination police jeep. See, this is very powerful, and you can see here two light. This is a blue and red color combination, so I collect this one also here. And next one is a DS Tronton car. This is a blue, yellow, red and black color combination realistic model. This plastic DS Tronton car. Wow, it's a very nice and realistic. And here is the last one is a tourist bus. It's also realistic. A red, black and white color combination. This tourist bus. It's very nice and beautiful. I also collect this one at my side here. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles introduced with you, and all are together here. So friends, I hope you interested with this video. If you interested with this video, you will subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.